Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on ChatGPT. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.